questions are asked for 4 marks. Okay, so there you have to show how you have calculated the sticks coding. In that place, you have to use another formula, another way to find out the sticks coding. Let's study. So the another method to calculate B2H6. Let's do the calculation. Here you have to remember 3 equations. Sorry, 4 equations are mandatory to be remembered. First is, here again the same method is applied. S, T, Y, X. Just write down the S, T, Y, X code here. Then the very first thing is the B2H6 that you have written here has to be splitted and written in the form like this. There are 2 boron atoms, so write BH2. Okay, there are 2 boron atoms, so you will be writing 2 outside the bracket. Now, how many, as you have written 2 outside the bracket, that means there are 2 boron atoms as well as 2 hydrogen atoms. So, how many hydrogen atoms are remaining here? 4. So, BH2H4. The total number of H is 6. In this way, you have to split the B2H6. Now, this 2, the value of 2 stands for the value of P. 2 is the value of P and 4 is the value of Q. Just mention it here. Value of P is 2 and value of Q is 4. Now, just remember the 4 different equations. That is, the equation for S is Q by 2, 2Q. Okay, this is the first equation for S, for finding the value of S. Then next, T. The equation for T is P minus S. This is the equation to find out T. Then Y. S minus X upon 2. This is the equation for finding out the value of Y. Then the last one is X. Q minus S. This is the equation for finding out X. Now just put the values and find out the answers. Here Q. Q by 2. What is the value of Q? It is 4. 4 by 2, 2. Again Q. That is 4. Here 4 by 2 means 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 2, 4 means the number between 2 to 4 should be written here. 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 3 numbers comes between 2 to 4. So it is written here. Then second, value of P is equal to P minus S. Here, what is the value of P? It is 2. But see, value of S. What we will be writing in the place of S? Here there are 3 different numbers found for the value of S. So you have to use each value to find out the value of T. So there will be 3 different answers. That is, first, let's take S is equal to 2. Then the value of T will be P minus S. That is, value of P is 2. So and value of S is 2. So the value of T will be 0. Then second, value of S will be 3. Therefore, value of T, P minus S, value of P is 2 minus 3. That is minus 1. And then third value, S is equal to 4. So the value of T will be 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Got it? These are the values of T. Then second. Okay. Then let's find out the value of Y. Okay, these 3 are the values of T. These 3 are the values of S. And now let's find out the value of Y. Okay, as I have shown, the equation for y is s minus x upon 2. So here, first of all, you have to know the value of x, then only you can find out the value of y. So for that, let's first check out the value of x. X. The equation for x is q minus s. Then again there will be three different values for s. So let's start with the first one. S is equal to 2. So the value of x will be q minus s. The value of q is 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Then second, s is equal to 3. Therefore value of x will be 4 minus 3, that is 1. Then third, value of s is equal to 4. Therefore the value of x will be q minus s is equal to q. Value of q is 4 minus value of s is also 4. So the answer will be 0. So these three are the values of x. Now see. Now put the values of x in the place of in the equation of y. First, here s is equal to 2. So y is equal to s minus x upon 2. So answer here will be, what is the value of s? 2 minus value of x. First value of x is 2. So 2 minus 2 upon 2. Answer will be 0. Then second, s is equal to 3. Therefore y is equal to s minus x upon 2. That is 3 minus 1 upon 2. 2 upon 2, 1. Then 3. Value of s is equal to 4. So y is equal to s minus x upon 2. 4 minus 0 upon 2. So here the answer will be 2. So there are three different possibilities for the Stix number. What are they? Just write it down in the corner. Value of s is 2, 3, 4. Then value of t are 0, minus 1, minus 2. Then value of y, first is 0, 1, 2. And the last value of x is 2, 1, 0. Okay. These are the three possible values of diborane. Okay, these are the three possible Stix numbers of diborane. So from here we have to take out only one single answer. So to confirm the answer, the easiest way is, see here in the second possible answer there is a negative 1. That means this is the value of t, and the value of t can't be negative, because either there will be present of B bond, either the bond will be absent, but the bond can never be negative. So simply just reject this. Okay, just reject this possibility. Then again in this third possible answer, here also there is a negative bond. Here also it is shown that the bond there is negative number of bonds, but it is not possible. So just cancel the second option, the third option also. So the correct answer is 2002. And therefore Stix code for B2H6 is 2002.